Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa. I'm at Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're looking at the beautiful Heights at 1520. Heights at 1520. These are in the lower heights of Houston, Texas. Fantastic location. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna give you the best tour ever of the Heights at 1520. We're gonna walk around a little bit outside, talk about the area, then we're gonna go inside, see the amenities, and then we're gonna see two apartments, one model and one available apartment. You're gonna love what you see, and it's gonna take the place of you coming here in person. It's gonna be about 12 or so little quick minute or so videos. You can just watch them, and it'll take the place. It'll actually be better than coming in person, because I'm gonna fill in some details that maybe the leasing agents and stuff won't tell you. If at any time you wanna take a virtual live tour or a live in-person tour, send me a text. Just use the number below. I'll set that text up right away. We also do Heights multi-tours. So if you want to see the best 3 to 5 apartments in the Heights all in one day, we can set that up for you at any time as well. We're here to help you with a free service at Uptown 101. So send me a text, just use the number below. And now let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the area. Let's do the next video right now.